Today, I'm going to show you how to use an air fryer for some delicious, healthier cooking. Trust me, once you start using one of these, you won't know how you ever lived without it. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Air fryers do not fry. It is basically a small benchtop oven with a fan and an element. This nifty kitchen gadget uses hot air to cook your food, giving it that crispy, fried texture without the need for a ton of oil. It's perfect for those of us looking for a guilt-free indulgence, and it cooks food much faster than the oven and is easy to clean. This makes it the perfect kitchen helper for busy weeknights. Now let's get cooking. I've bought some frozen fries from the market, and I'm just going to put a handful of them in and spread it out nicely. Make sure to not overcrowd it. You want the hot air to circulate evenly. Next, we'll plug it in and close the air fryer basket. Then it should automatically turn on. I set the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit and the timer for 12 minutes, then press start. I usually like to stop it halfway to the 6-minute mark and flip them over or shake it so it's cooked to perfection. I also love to turn on the lights so I can see the progress. It saves more energy and time. You'll know it's done once it makes its last beep. And there you have it, folks. Crispy golden fries with no added oil and practically no mess to clean up. The fries taste better than when I use my regular oven, and even tastier than restaurants. You can use your air fryer for all sorts of dishes, from veggies to meats to even desserts like donuts. It's versatile, efficient, and most importantly, it's going to make your cooking game so much easier and healthier. Most air fryer baskets and trays are dishwasher safe, making cleaning a breeze. Also, you can cook your food wrapped in foil and put it in the air fryer if it's a messier dish like bacon. Since mine has a non-stick surface, I make sure to wash with a sponge or a light scrubber to protect the top layer of the inside. If you want to know where I got my air fryer, I've added the link in the description box for you. Anyway, if you're like me and love good food without all the fuss and calories, definitely consider adding an air fryer to your kitchen arsenal. Thanks for joining me today and happy cooking. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes and kitchen tips. Until next time, happy eating!